Hi, I'm Gracelyn Martinez.
And I'm Frankie Martinez, part of the Martinez team with Iron Key Real Estate.
Today you can find us just 5 minutes away from beautiful downtown Visalia. We're standing here in front of these two amazing trees ready to showcase our brand new listing at 3226 South Goddard Street.
This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home sits under just 1,700 square feet. Come on in, let's take a look.
When you enter the property, you come into an open concept living, kitchen, and dining area. This kitchen has a perfect layout for entertainment. You've got a 5-burner gas stove, dual basin sink, and barstool seating. This split floor plan has an isolated master suite, complete with walk-in closet and master bath. The secondary rooms are a great size, and in between them you can find a dedicated media center, perfect for an at-home office.
And I know if Gracelyn and I were going to be the proud owners of this home, this is where we'd spend most of our time. Complete with covered patio, plenty of storage in this storage shed, and a beautiful little koi pond.
Okay everybody, thank you so much for touring this home with us. We really appreciate it.
And as always, if you'd like to schedule a private showing, make sure you reach out to your favorite real estate agent right away. And if you don't have a real estate agent, Gracelyn and I are always willing to help. Call, text, email, you name it, we're here for you. Have a great day, everyone.
Bye.